The coffee shop on the corner. Every morning he stopped at the same coffee shop. It was a small place on the corner of his street, nothing special. The coffee was good, the music was soft, and it was never too crowded. It became part of his routine before work. He ordered the same drink, stood near the window, and watched people walk by. One morning he noticed her. She was sitting alone at a small table, reading a book and drinking coffee slowly. She looked calm, focused, and comfortable, as if she had nowhere else to be. He did not think much about it at first. People come and go all the time. But the next day, she was there again. Same table, same book, same quiet presence. After that, he started looking for her without realizing it. When he entered the coffee shop, his eyes searched the room before he even ordered. If she was there, his morning felt different. If she was not, something felt missing. They never spoke. Sometimes their eyes met for a second, and they both looked away. Sometimes she smiled softly, and he wondered if it meant something, or nothing at all. He thought about saying hello many times, but he never did. He did not want to disturb her quiet space. Days turned into weeks. One rainy morning, the coffee shop was almost empty. He stood in line, and when he turned around, he saw her standing behind him. Her hair was wet from the rain, and she looked tired but peaceful. Without planning it, he spoke. He asked if she came there often. She smiled and said yes. That was all it took. They talked about simple things: the weather, the coffee, the book she was reading. The conversation was easy, natural, and unforced. Time passed without them noticing. When his coffee was ready, he hesitated. He did not want the moment to end. Before leaving, he asked if she wanted to sit together next time. She said yes. After that day, they started meeting there regularly. Some mornings they talked a lot. Other mornings they sat in comfortable silence, reading or watching the street outside. There was no pressure, no rush. One morning she did not come. He waited longer than usual, but her table stayed empty. He told himself it meant nothing. People have their own lives. Still, the coffee did not taste the same. She returned a few days later. She apologized and explained that she had been busy with work. He realized then how important those quiet mornings had become to him. They never called it love. They never made promises. But something grew between them, slowly and naturally, like the rhythm of the coffee shop itself. Sometimes, the most meaningful connections begin with silence, routine, and a simple cup of coffee. Before you leave, let me ask you something. Did you understand this story? Was it easy for you, a little difficult, or very difficult? Please write in the comments, "I understood everything," "I understood most of it," or "I need more practice." Your comment helps me understand your level and helps this channel grow. If this reading helped you practice your English today, leave a like and subscribe for more English stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.